we started our day 8 trek, which started from Dingboche, and we are heading to Labuche. And yeah, it's going to be a gain of almost 500 meters. We'll stop at Tukla for lunch before we head. There's a bit of a climb after that, and then we will reach Labuche. Hello again. We are 71 minutes into our trek, and it's 2.65 kilometers, and we probably have another 3.5 kilometers to go to the Tukla Pass, Tukla for our lunch. Yeah, the views as usual are very beautiful. The sun is shining bright. It's of course very cold, but the sun is helping us. So yeah, we have Sudhir Bhai with us. Hey. We have Mr. Banja, Suman Banja, and yeah, there comes Mr. Shashi. He is a bit under the weather, but that doesn't mean the spirits are low. Give me 5, buddy. Good. So good. So people are going to. So it's a rest point for us. And there is this little river that is flowing, and then there is this village that you see far away, and then behind that hill is where is Dingboche, and then you will see our team coming slowly. This is Suman Banja with us, Joji and team coming, and that is the Awa Dablam. And that mountain that you see in front is the Labuche mountain, and we are actually going to go to that place. So Labuche is the stop, the town of Labuche. So that's where we'll halt for the evening. So we are halfway through, another halfway to lunch. And guys, we start now the bouldering. Look at the boulders. Okay, so we need to get on top of these boulders, do all this bouldering, and then cross that path, and then go to that place. Now the river, into the frozen ice. Yeah. Lovely. Downstream. Beautiful. So we reached the lunch place, the lodge and restaurant, Tukla, at altitude of 4620. Look at the lunch. Helicopter is going by. This is how it looks. A lot of backpackers, a lot of trekkers, with all the bags lying all over. And then you'd see a lot of emblems of various countries, various people who have come here, depicted there. And yeah, it's beautiful. So we'll have lunch, a break for 1 hour, well-deserved break that too. So guys, we started our trek after our lunch, and then here we see the lovely yaks coming our way. You can see them. And then this is the Lukla Pass. It's a pass between two mountain ranges, and that's what we are supposed to cross. Another, I guess, about 3 to 4 kilometers to go. But look at them, they're lovely yaks. They look so beautiful. Look at them. Okay, it's a long climb. All the best to us. Hello guys again. So we are on top of the Memorial Hill. We just climbed the hill from Lukla to here. So this is the Memorial Hill. This is dedicated to the climbers who died trying to get up to Mount Everest and to Lhotse and other mountain peaks. So yeah, from here we have another 1.5 hours to go. Yeah, there's the party. Hey Vishal, Shashi Garu, hello. The PJ is here too, and our lovely Umesh, sir. And Diksha ji and Abhishek ji hugging each other. That's a lovely sight. Please turn around. Wonderful to see you both. Great. So that is a long trek, but we did it. And there you see Gopi Garu coming in. Hey Gopi, lovely, well done. Well done. Excellent. So about 1 hour more to go to Labuche, our resting place, but you'll see a frozen lake right there. And then next to the frozen lake, you'll see a little camps. And those are the camps for the climbers. So the climbers camp there, acclimatize themselves, and then go further up the mountains. So we have arrived at Labuche. Hi Gopi.
Hello Dinesh.
Hey, hi Sudhir bhai.
Nosi.
Yes, so we are at the Sagarmatha National Park, of course, in Labuche, 5030 meters. So guys, we have reached our hotel. Oxygen Altitude, restaurant and home. That is where we will be staying today. This facility does not have attached toilet, so we will be sharing the toilets. It's going to be a pain because of the Dimox we are taking. We pee 3 to 4 times in the night. We're going to go out, not go out, but go out of the room and then pee. So that's going to be a challenge. We will see. For now, bye.